A man was brutally murdered at the Singhu border outside Delhi. His body with a chopped hand was found hanging from a barricade near the main stage of protesting farmers on Friday morning. The incident has already caused a huge outrage among the farmers who were initially not allowing the police to visit. However, officials of the Kundli police station were later allowed to take the body to the nearby civil hospitals. Nihangs are being accused of murdering the 35-year-old man whose hand was cut from his wrist. The Sanyukta Kisan Morcha umbrella body of over 40 farmers leading the agitation. The Sanyukta Kisan Morcha umbrella body of over 40 farmer unions leading the agitation against the three new farm laws distanced itself from the entire incident. The farmers' body said it was ready to cooperate with the Haryana government for action against the culprits. Nihangs are behind the incident. They have accepted it. Nihangs have been causing trouble to us from the beginning, SKM leader Balbir Singh Rajewal said. It is clear that Navjot Singh Sidhu will continue as the Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee Chief. Harish Rawat, the party's General Secretary in charge of Punjab affairs, said after a meeting at the party's headquarters on Thursday. Navjot Singh Sidhu had resigned as the Punjab Congress Chief on September 28 after he posted his resignation letter on Twitter. No decision on his resignation has been taken by the party leadership yet. After the meeting on Thursday, Congress leader Harish Rawat said issues within the party will be resolved through talks. We will resolve all the issues through talks. Sidhu and Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi have spoken on all the issues and some resolution will be reached soon. He also said that it is clear that Sidhu will continue as the PCC chief and should strengthen the organization. Harish Rawat's statement came after Navjot Singh Sidhu met him and AICC General Secretary of Organization KC Venugopal on Thursday. During the meeting, Navjot Singh Sidhu raised his concern over the 18-point agenda taken by the leadership on which actions are pending. These include action against those involved in the sacrilege issue and the drug mafia. After the meeting, Navjot Singh Sidhu said he has full faith in the leadership of the party and Sonia Gandhi, and any decision taken by her will be acceptable to him. Two army soldiers, including a junior commissioned officer, were critically injured in an encounter that broke out between the armed forces and militants in the Poonch sector of Jammu and Kashmir late on Thursday night. The encounter broke out in Bimbar Gali village of Mehendar Tehsil in Poonch. The area lies in the forest areas between Poonch and Rajouri. In a statement on Friday, the Indian Army said that two soldiers, including a JCO, were critically injured in the fresh exchange of fire between the security forces and terrorists last evening. The fresh encounter comes after 5 army personnel, including a JCO, lost their lives in an encounter in Poonch district on Monday. The army has said that contact was established with the hiding terrorists in Rajouri forest who were responsible for the killing of 5 soldiers on Monday. Meanwhile, civilian vehicular movement was halted in the hilly areas of Rajouri and Poonch district as a precautionary measure in view of the ongoing counter-terror operations. The Global Hunger Index 2021 has ranked India 101st out of 116 countries. In 2020, India was ranked 94th out of 107 countries. As per the 2021 rankings, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal have fared better than India. The 2021 report prepared by the Irish aid agency Concern Worldwide and German organization Welt Hunger Hilfe said that the level of hunger in India is alarming. India's Global Hunger Index score has fallen from 38.8 in 2000 to somewhere in the range of 27.5 to 28.8 between 2012 and 2021. GHI scores are calculated on 4 parameters, that is undernourishment, child wasting, which is the percentage of children below 5 years of age who have low weight for their height, reflecting acute undernutrition, child stunting, which is percentage of children below 5 years of age who have low weight for their age, reflecting chronic undernutrition, and child mortality, which is the mortality rate of children under the age of 5. The child wasting rate in India has risen from 17.1% between 1998 and 2002 to 17.3% between 2016 and 2020 as per the report. Microsoft Corp is pulling the plug on LinkedIn in China nearly 7 years after its launch, marking the retreat of the last major US-owned social network in China as authorities there further tighten their control over the internet sector. LinkedIn said in a blog post on Thursday that it would replace the platform later this year with a stripped-down version that would focus only on jobs called InJobs, which would not include a social feed or share option. While we have found success in helping Chinese members find jobs and economic opportunity, we have not found the same level of success in the more social aspect of sharing and staying informed, LinkedIn said. We are also facing a significantly more challenging operating environment and greater compliance requirements in China. LinkedIn's moves in China have been closely watched as a model for how a Western social media app could operate within a country's tightly regulated internet, where many other platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Alphabet Incorporation's YouTube are banned. The platform expanded in China in 2014, acknowledging at the time that the company would have to censor some of the content users posted on its website to comply with the Chinese rules.